In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the counterweight location in your elevator project. Let's get started! First things first, create an elevator project with these specifications. Feel free to pause the video and take your time setting this up. Ready? Great! Let's start with changing the counterweight location. If you're in the early stages of your project, I recommend creating a new project using the shaft wizard and selecting a different position for the counterweight. This approach ensures a clean and organized setup. However, if you're already deep into your project, you can change the counterweight location via the properties. Activate the counterweight and open the rope wizard by clicking the three dots. The rope wizard can be accessed through the properties of the traction machine, the counterweight, the pulley, or the pulley beam. Since we're focusing on changing the counterweight location, click Next to skip the first three steps of the wizard. On the fourth step, you can change the counterweight location to left, rear, or right, and adjust its positioning on the selected side. Once done, click Next and then Finish, or simply click Finish if you're ready. Remember, you can change the door type at any time to match the new setup. For instance, select the S2L door if needed. Additionally, you can adjust the distance between centers either in the properties of the parent counterweight object or directly in the corresponding dimension in the drawing. After manually moving the counterweight, it's important to check the alignment of the ropes and adjust the pulley beam settings accordingly. Common components, pulley beams, don't have geometry by default, so you'll need to select them via the breadcrumb docking window using one of the subordinated pulleys. You can adapt the arrangement by changing the pulley beam angle in the properties. Enter, for instance, -90. Additionally, you can adjust the position of the pulley beam through the counterweight frame properties. And that's it for counterweights. Pretty simple, right? Thanks for watching!